This is the story of Detective Barry Tait, a very normal everyday detective who was granted enhanced abilities. When he was younger, he was experimented on by bad people who kind of, villains who want to take over the world, and he receives like unique special abilities. Like that's just a special way of saying he has superpowers, basically. I do think the character is on the spectrum. Because of these enhanced abilities, too much information can get into his head more than an average human being, which I felt resembles my senses being heightened. Especially like too much information just resembles to having a sensory overload. This is how he learns to control these abilities. To really focus, he decides to try some meditation by sitting on the floor, closing his eyes. He even does the ocean breathing technique, where he counts to 5 breathing in through his nose and counts to 5 again breathing out through his mouth. If I remember something, or if I'm overthinking something, I will visualize it. So I suppose that kind of tells you a bit more about the whole. He is looking at what he's processing, and it's real to him. I think he would always crime fight. It's his number one priority to see justice done.